Sunday afternoon, decided to go for a drive after the storms that we had that rolled throughout northeastern Oklahoma late Saturday night and early Sunday morning. Man, the storms they were pretty horrific. A lot of damage done over in Tulsa. We had some heavy winds come through Pryor, Locust Grove, Choteau, Salina. And I just decided to show y'all a little bit of the damage that I saw as I was driving around. Right now, we're driving around through Pryor, Oklahoma, and this is just, some of the downed trees. People have already started working on getting things cleaned up a little bit, and this is just what it looks like around the area. It just kind of looks like a tiny war zone kind of came through. This is all over in the neighborhood area near my parents' house in the south side of Pryor, and it just looks pretty rough over there. And coming up right here, it looks like there was a tree that fell over and broke and busted a fence and landed on the roof of a house. And right here, there's some more trees down. This is on South Elliott Street in Pryor. We're heading north on South Elliott. I'm going to work my way over to the park area. And here we are going past Thunderbird Youth Academy. Several trees down there. That'll put the youth to work there. Now we're coming up on the stop sign here in a second to head to the park. Now we're driving down through the park. Looks like several trees down there in the park. Pryor Park, Whitaker Park in Pryor, Oklahoma. Trees down all around there. And now we're working our way into the middle area of Pryor. This is over at the Redemption House of Prayer Church. There's a tree down back behind there. And there's the Grace Bible Church coming up here in a second. That there was some power poles snapped, and you'll see that here in just a minute. There's trees down there. Okay, there's Grace Bible Church. There's some damage off over there. Let me get turned around here. All right, here at Grace Bible Church, if you look right about there, you can see a power pole leaned over. Trees down back there. Here's some more damage over in Pryor. Now we're driving through Choteau, Oklahoma. It looked like a literal war zone in Choteau, and let me tell you, I mean, their winds were really, really rough over there. And that's about 8 miles from where we live. Right now I'm going over to check out check on one of our customers. Our customer, we had just mowed her yard on Saturday before the storms, and she gave us a call Sunday and said that the wind had knocked down a tree in her backyard, and it landed on her storage building. Fortunately, we were able to actually get her referred to a tree service that we refer customers to there out of Pryor, Oklahoma, and they took care of her. They took care of her yard. There's the tree. There it is. It's down. You can't see it, but there was a building under there. There's the tree. It's literally uprooted the tree. You can see the whole root ball and everything. I mean, that is it just blows my mind how much damage wind can do, you guys. Now we're in another area of Choteau, and fixing to get ready to head back towards the house. There's the school over in Choteau. The school and the park over there in Choteau had quite a bit of damage. Now we're headed home. We are on Scenic Highway 412, headed east. Now we're coming down our road. We are very thankful for our neighbors that cleared the roads, because there was quite a bit of trees that were down along the side here. You guys, this is crazy. You're gonna have, this just blew my mind when I was coming out of the neighborhood. It's about a 1 mile drive from the end of the road up to our house. Okay, this house up here on the left, which is on the south side of the road, we heard a loud pop that night. We're wondering if maybe lightning might have struck that tree or something, because if you look, the tree literally busted in half. Half of it went one way, half of it went the other way. Lots of damage down the road here. And the trees, I guess there had been some trees across the roads that neighbors down the road had cleared off the road for everybody, because our road is one way in and one way out. I see PSO pulling in. We've been without power since 10 this morning, which was strange because we had power all night. And then the power went down this morning. And we're almost home. Coming up on the next to the last curve on the way to our hacienda. A lot of trees down our road, and a lot of downed trees down our road after the storms. And if you look right there, right there, there's trees down on both sides of the roads. They had cut them up and pushed them over to the side, which we are very grateful for that. Very, very, very grateful. There it is right there. Big old piles of trees that had just been cut up and had to be pushed aside. Big old mess. But we are very thankful and blessed that there was no more damage than what was done. We look forward to seeing y'all next time. Thanks for going on a Sunday drive with me. Have a great week, everybody. Remember, Bushwhackers OK, bushwhackersok.com, bushwhackersok@gmail.com, 918-803-1833. Be sure and like and subscribe.